Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to do this Halloween look inspired by Beetlejuice. The wig didn't come out the way I wanted to, but everything else came out the way I wanted to. The makeup, my shirt, the details of Beetlejuice. But yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm starting with my Morphe palette in the 35B. And I'm using like more of a kind of like a fuchsia color all over my crease. Um, so this look is inspired by Beetlejuice. I love Beetlejuice. It's one of my favorite movies, by the way. And I'm using my Louise base, and I'm doing a cut crease. We're creating a cut crease with the eyes, just because my eyes are a little bit more in the hooded side. So I have to pretend and create a cut crease. And I'm using a flat brush like always to make that happen. And it does take time. The first few times that I actually try to do a cut crease, it was not that easy. And then I'm going back with the same palette and using the white color, so I'm putting that all over my lid. I don't want to do anything too shimmery with the lid. I want to keep it a little bit more on the matte side. Very simple, nothing too crazy. And again, I'm using the same flat brush that I used to create that cut crease. And I'm patting it down. And I did go back to kind of clean it up too, the cut crease. And now I'm using the darker color from the 35B of that purple and just placing it in the outer corner of my crease. Well, my lid, I should say, actually. And I'm just patting it down to that transition color. And after that, I went back and I used the same color that I use in my crease. And just kind of mixing it together with that darker tone. So then I'm using this BB cream by e.l.f. Cosmetics in the color Fair. So I am using a color that's not really my color. That's a little bit lighter than me, but that's okay because Beetlejuice, it's really pale. He is very pale in the movies that I watch. So that's why I'm using this color. And I'm using my Real Techniques brush that I always talk about. I always rave about this brush in the medium sculpting brush. I use this for actually foundation and cream contour because it is amazing and I love it and I always rave about it. So yeah, and I was just fixing the camera because it got a little blurry. And then after that, I'm going with this liquid lipstick by Anastasia. And it's actually one of her colors that she had for a collection when like they first started. And this one's called Potion. It's more of like a darker liquid lipstick, like a purpley black. And I'm using that as a liner for this eye look. And then after that, I'm using a bronzer. I'm using this same bronzer that I always use in every video, the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in Deep, just to basically give myself a little color because I was looking a little too pale. And then I decided to go back with a Morphe palette in a 35M, and I'm using this beautiful like green color, and I'm using that in my brows. And I'm just patting it in my brows with a blending brush. And then I'm using this green color that I found in my eyeliner drawer, and it's actually by, where's actually this was, it doesn't really say the name. Oh no, Ruby Kisses. And the color is called Pastel Lime Green. It's really pretty. And then I decided to go and use a dark eyeshadow underneath my lash line, and then I mix it with that purpley color as well together. And I'm blending it and making it a little bit of a smoky eye. And I did go a little bit more dramatic. After that, I decided to go back with like a paintbrush and use that palette that I was using from Morphe in the style 35M in the palette. Boss Move, that's actually called Boss Move. And I'm going back and using those green colors, and you know, his face is dirty. So we're gonna just do the same to look like Beetlejuice. And it doesn't have to be perfect, it could be messy. The messier I feel like it looks better. And I did bring it in my jawline and my neck area as well, just so we could, you know, be Beetlejuice. And then I decided to use a lighter green and use the same brush that I'm using. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm just patting it, not really blending anything, just literally patting it all over my cheekbone, my forehead, my jawline, my neckline. And then after we're done with all that, we're gonna go back and use the liquid lipstick by Anastasia and Potion. So this was discontinued, guys, so I don't think you could even find this liquid lipstick anywhere, to be honest. But I use it for as liner, and then I'm using it now as liquid lipstick. So very pretty, very fall, very, very Halloween. So yeah, and then I go back and with a blending brush, I decided to basically put the green to around the mouth area to just, because I feel like that area was looking a little too clean, so I wanted it to be a little bit messy to go with everything that we have going on. And then after we are done blending that area of the mouth, I did use a little highlight just because I wanted a little something. And also in my inner corners of my eyes, and I just pat it in, not to be too much. And then I went back with that liquid lipstick, and I also use it underneath the lash line as well to make it a little messier. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.